Are you gonna go get showered? Go get showered. Oh yeah. Go get showered, baby. Oh yeah. Bird, you're awful. What do you think, Monkey Pie? Yeah? Oh, bless you. Do those stink? I bet they stink. That one too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's pick her butt. That's a good look. Bird, you're horrible. I know.
Yeah, you look like a wet rat.
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
The dog's like, yeah? Is that good for you? Are you done? Are you done? Are you telling me you're done? Okay, hold on. I think the puppy wants to see what you're doing really quick. Hold on, let me get you a towel. Let me get you a towel, wet bird. Hold on, let me get you a towel.
Birdie burrito! Yeah, birdie burrito! Yeah, did you enjoy your bath? Yeah, I know you did. I know you did, you bad little bird. You're so spoiled. You're so spoiled. Yeah, you're just a little spoiled brat. Yes, you are. Yeah. Where you going? Where you going? You're still soaking wet. Where are you going? Oh, thank you for that, turd. Thanks for that, turd. Let's go let you dry off. Okay, and then we'll... Oh, did that hurt? Poor baby. Let's let you dry off and I'll come back and get you, okay? Yeah, it's warmer in our room.